Salon and Spa makeover team is in the building. They're going to show us how to take that day look to that party look at night in just 1 hour. So we want to welcome stylist Annie Mann and makeup artist Shannon Garcia to the show. Hi.
Hi, ladies.
Okay, nice to have you here.
All right, so here's what we're going to do. Let's start with model number 1. We have Joanna coming out, and what we're going to be doing throughout this next 90 minutes is taking a look from sweet to sassy. So lovely Joanna is here. Hello, happy holidays, Joanna. Okay, let's talk about the hair first.
So we've got sweet Joanna. Doesn't she just look like a sweetheart?
She does. I believe her to be sweet.
Right?
Yeah.
This is a great look for running errands, kind of like you mentioned, coffee, just casual things like that.
Is that beachy wave? That's a beachy wave. Is that a tough thing to do?
Textured wave.
Is it tough to do if you're not at Simonson's? Can you do that on your own at home?
Yes, totally. You can do it with a flat iron, curling wand, whatever works for you. But your stylist at Simonson's can always help you with that too.
You like this product, this, what is it, Unite? It's from Unite.
It's Texturiza.
Texturiza, that's how you say it. I'm a big fan of Unite
you
products.
have to say like the Z-A with it too. That makes it much more special.
Yeah.
So that one can help you really achieve that.
Yep, especially for our fine-haired Minnesotans, which most of us are. It gives us that lift, that volume, and it can hold all day.
Oh, this is really cool. And then let's talk about the makeup, Shannon, okay? So you're doing this day look, so she looks really pulled together, but it's pretty and neutral.
Yeah, so we did just kind of some monochromatic colors. We did gold and like some lighter colors on her, some bronze, just to keep it more natural. And then we also did our new glow lip kit.
Ooh.
We have Zen, so it's our nude color, which is perfect for daytime, and it matches with a lot of skin tones really well.
Does it look a little wacky if you're running errands and you've got a bright pink or a bright red lip on? Does that look a little out of place?
You can do it.
I think it depends on how you feel.
But a good nude just looks so classic.
It does.
And not all nudes are created equal. I mean, I think you really have to hunt to find the right one for you. How fun. All the clothes are from Simonson's.
The clothes look great. I know.
And the accessories, which is just so fun. So when you go in for your appointments, for all of your, rejuvenating your hair, whatever you've got going on, I always pop by and just stop and shop. This top
you'll
is
always
there.
be surprised what they have to offer outside of just, hair and makeup needs. So in about an hour, we're going to see this sweet look go to Sassy. The Simonson Salon hair and makeup team is waiting backstage. They will start the transformation. Joanna is going to get a new look, perfect for a family holiday gathering. Joanna, you look lovely as you are, but we can't wait to see the next look too.
We'll see you in a bit, Joanna. Thank you.
Alrighty, shall we bring another to the party?
Let's do it.
Here is Gracie. Come on out, Gracie. Now we've got another look here. Let's start again, Annie, with the hair.
Yeah.
Looking great.
So Gracie's super classic. Gorgeous hair color, gorgeous girl, young, youthful. So we did this look, kind of a smooth wave, again, totally achievable. You just have to ask your stylist to kind of change that look. It's less beachy, more classic.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so you can see the difference in a lot of texture, not as much texture. Great for holiday shopping, coffee, same thing, just a little bit more done up, movies, whatever.
Yeah, that's
funny.
really
When you holiday shop as opposed to just, if you're running out the Target on a typical Saturday, you want to look a little better. You want to kind of feel festive and dressed up.
You're gonna see people.
A little bit. Yeah, that's exactly
Everybody's doing it, so.
You are exactly right about that. Let's talk about the makeup.
Yeah, so for Gracie's makeup, we did just some lighter brown in the crease, and then we also finished her off with the Zen lip kit as well.
Okay, that's nice to see it on a couple different people.
It goes really well with a lot of different skin tones.
Okay, that's really, really good. And then the clothes are so cute. I mean, this is, again, from the boutique at Simonson's, Annie?
Yes, totally. Like, great little blouse. It just hugs her shape. Anybody can wear that, too. And then, like, a classic blue jean. Can't go wrong.
Yeah, that's super cute for during the day, but I can see that blouse would be darling, like, under a blazer for work. Really a super
dress it up, dress it
look.
down.
I like this sleek wave thing, though, because as much, I mean, the beachy waves is really, really cute. I think it's super common, though, too.
Yes.
And so it's nice to see something just a little bit, with a little bit of a twist. Yeah, that looks great. Okay, so we're going to see you go from classic to classy, right?
Yes.
Simonson's makeover team is ready in our makeup room, so they're going to take Gracie's look to the next level. That'll be coming up later in the show. We are going to see it transform to a look that's perfect for an upcoming holiday party.
I feel, Scotty, could we just have one more shot of Gracie? Because what Gracie told us right before we went on the air, was she said, it's always been my dream to be on television. So I just want to give her one extra second. You want to wave to anybody? Anybody you want to say hi to?
Girl, do it. Model. Yeah.
Hi, Mom. Man, can't go wrong with that. All right, Gracie, you look great. We'll see you in just a little bit.
Gracie. Okay, have fun. Stick around because we want you to see those transformations. Plus, we're going to have details on a special gift that you will receive this holiday season when you buy gift cards from Simonson Salon and Spa. I love it there. We were both there this week.
Yeah, I was there this week. I just love that place.
Fabulous. Yeah. Thursday on Twitter, 5 at 4 right now, but since just after 3 o'clock, we've been following along as the Simonson Salon and Spa makeover team transformed to look. So they took our models from day to night to get them ready for holiday parties.
From Simonson Salon and Spa, we welcome back Annie Mann and Shannon Garcia to the show. All right, ladies, how'd it go? Do you feel good about how everything went? Okay, first let's see our first model, Joanna, how she looked at 3 o'clock. And this is when we had, you know, this was the day. You're going out and about tomorrow, you're running errands, but you want to look really pulled together. It was a beautiful look.
Yeah, it was really cute. Okay, and then we're going to head out into the evening. Let's see Joanna now. Come on out, lady. What do we got going on here, Annie?
Oh. So she was sweet. Now she's sassy. We did her hair up in a sassy twist with a little bit left out around her face. That just kind of softens everybody's face.
But that started with the beachy wave that you had going on, and then
easily
you just kind of
thrown up into this.
Oh,
yep.
Cute.
So you okay? I was going to ask if you have to like brush that out or wash it out, but no, that is a hairstyle beachy wave that you can put up pretty easily.
Totally. Yeah. I mean,
really
she's gonna have
nice.
to wash it eventually. But yes.
What's up in this little? Is this a jumpsuit? Am I looking at?
Yeah.
Cool.
Totally.
That's very
Has
fun.
Pockets. Women love pockets.
Yes.
Yep. We get very excited. We don't put anything in them, but we like to know
like
that
to know
it
they're
is
there.
that is really, really cute. Is that at Simonson's, that jumpsuit?
The shimmer, totally holiday look too. She's got a little shawl just for some color and warmth. The -40 temps that we get. And the earrings too, just tie everything together.
So Shannon, how did you make the makeup a little bit more evening appropriate? Because you still have the nude lip going on.
Yeah, the nude lip just goes really well with her skin tone and everything, and then we just added darker eyeshadow colors to complement her eyes and as well her jumpsuit, just to kind of match everything.
And what's this product that we're seeing? What's this Revitalash primer and mascara? What do you love about this?
I love the Revitalash. We used it on her today. It just kind of lengthens and volumizes all her lashes, makes them look very pulled together.
So she doesn't have false eyelashes on?
No.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hello.
If we could all be so fortunate. You know?
Wonderful.
Goodness.
That looks great.
Joanna, go out there, go directly to a happy hour and just watch people buy you drinks. You'll love it. It'll be a great time. Thank you so much, Joanna. You look lovely.
Nice job. Oh, I love that jumpsuit. That little sparkly is so much fun.
So fun.
Now we had one more model that was with us at 3 o'clock. Her name is Gracie, and here was Gracie's look as she wanted to head out and about and just get some stuff done, but again, look good and feel good.
Now she's ready for the holiday party, though. Look
Oh,
at
snap.
this.
Look at Gracie go. All right, tell us all about this hair. The look, let's start with the hair.
Yep, Gracie went from classic to classy. She's got that mix of old Hollywood, rocker, it's young, it's youthful, it's fun, but great for holiday parties. She had the really simple waves that we did, and you just pull one side back, throw some pins in it, and it's easily like this.
Oh my gosh, can we see the back, Gracie?
Look.
Okay, so it's just one side, and then it's just kind of twisted
You literally
over.
just twist and pin, and you can leave as much out or as little, and then kind of wear it to one side, and it's very like red carpet.
Okay, that's kind
Can
of
that be
an
done?
updo that somebody could do themselves.
100%.
I was going to say, do you need assistance for all of these, or you can learn that yourself?
Yeah, you do it by feel, and then like have your husband be like, you know.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Look at this. How fun is this? And then you went with the full shimmer.
She did.
Just head to toe.
I mean, these pants are a statement piece for sure. The sequin pants, super fun. Shimmer top for the holidays too. Statement necklace. I mean, you can't go wrong.
And then the lip that goes perfectly with the top.
We changed the lip out this time.
That's the one, right?
Yeah, this is our lip color called Runway. It's also a lip kit. So it goes with the Zen, so you can get the daytime for Zen, and then you can get the nighttime for Runway.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and so it's a really pretty cranberry color, and then we just added on some winged eyeliner.
The eyeliner is
But
big,
nothing new on her lashes either.
No.
I mean, they look. Where are these ladies
That's
getting
that
their
Revitalash.
lashes from?
Yeah,
Revitalash.
Revitalash.
Boy, that's legit.
Why have you
That
guys
looks
been
really
hiding
good.
that stuff from me? What is going on?
And me. Goodness gracious.
Fabulous. Gracie, have
Ladies, you look
fun.
lovely.
You look fantastic. Thank you so much. Thanks so much to our friends at Simonson Salon and Spa for sponsoring the show and bringing these fabulous looks. That was a lot of cool look to see.
This is really cool too. You can purchase $150 in Simonson Salon gift cards, and you will get a bonus gift as well. Look at there, moisturizing travel essentials for your hair, your skin, hands, and lips too. These gift sets are valued at $35 and are available at Simonson's Salon and Spa locations while supplies last.
We posted all the details at TwinCitiesLive.com. Coming up next,